So there's one more section we're going to take a look at today. I promise you this is going to be easy and it's going to go pretty fast. Section 5.2, we need to look at graphing cubic functions. And this is actually going to be the same story that we did earlier in the year with our y equals the absolute value of x and our transformations, and from the last unit our y equals x squared with our transformations. Basically, we're going to learn a new parent function and we're going to transform it. So the first thing we need to do is make a table of values for f of x or y equals x cubed. Cube -2, remember, whenever you do a negative number raised to a power, you've got to put it in parentheses. -2 cubed is what? -2 cubed is -8, because -2 times -2 is 4, times -2 is -8. -1 cubed is -1. 0 cubed is 0. 1 cubed is 1. 2 cubed is 8. Okay, I'm going to plot these points. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 8. Okay, then I have -1, 1, -2, 8. Y equals x cubed looks like this, kind of like a stretched out parabola, and then kind of like a stretched out negative parabola put together. This is the graph of y equals x cubed. We can transform this like we would transform the absolute value of x or x squared with our move it left, right, multiply the y values, move it up, down. On the bottom, take a moment and let's just sketch. Okay, first of all, notice that these are all something cubed, something cubed. That means we're going to start both of these from our cubic function, y equals x cubed, y equals x cubed. If there was a square, you would start it from our parent parabola, absolute value, start from our parent absolute value v. Not the case here. Take a moment, sketch that new parent function on both grids. Zero, 0, 1, 1, 2, 8. By the way, how do I remember these numbers? They're just x values and then their cube. -1, -1, -2, -8. Connect the dots. And we're getting one of those. Going to do the same over here. Numbers and their cube, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 8. -1, -1, -2, -8. Connect the dots. And we've got our y equals x cubed. Now I have my usual old transformations. What should I do first over here? Should I do the -4 or should I do the +1? I think that -4 is going to be first. And what does the -4 do to the graph? It's going to move this thing right 4 spaces. Y equals x minus 4 cubed. We're going to go right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Connect the dots. We've got that. Go deal with the last transformation, please. I'm going to take all my points and go up 1. There, there, there. There, there. Connect the dots. And we should have something like that purple graph. In letter B, obviously the first thing we deal with is the -2, but which -2? This one or this one? What's the first transformation I need to deal with? And tell me the answer in words like move it right to, move it up to, stretch it by to. In words, what are we going to deal with first? I think I first need to deal with this -2, which means multiply the y values by -2. So let's go. This y value is 0. My new y value is -2 times 0, or 0. This y value is 1. My new y value is 1 times -2, or -2. This y value is 8. My new y value is -2 times 8, or -16, way off the graph. This one over here, this -1, times negative 2 will become positive 2. It's going to be something, I don't know, like this. Go do your last step, please. I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm going to make sure I label things, make sure you're telling me what graph is what. And we're going to end with something like that. I told you this would be a short section. That's all I've got here.